Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about a new thing which we are going to find out the stocks for a tomorrow's trade or BTST kind of trade. So we can find out by using the charting scanner. So let me do the back test and as well try to understand what was the concept here we are going to discuss about. And this stock HDFC would be the reversal here at this candle. Today it may be a trend reversal. The reversal, is there any candlestick where you can find out the reversal at this bottom or at this two candles, comparing these two candles, is there any reversal where we can see in HDFC Bank? Sorry, this is about HDFC. So we are going to discuss about HDFC Bank. Let's look at this chart. Do you think this is what a reversal? Maybe tomorrow it may continues the trend and the today's close price may be 1439. It may continues tomorrow. Let me look at this, may be a reversal pattern, and let's look at about a Laura's Lab and see this. This may be a reversal pattern based on what? Let me discuss. So for consecutive down there is a green, and I'm not discussing about that. Here there is a pattern where we can see the reversal at this bottom, and even this was a green candle, and HDFC also be a green candle, and Lara's Lab also green candle. Let me go for a Bajaj Finance. Let's look at this is what a reversal. Do you think this is a reversal? Both the days are negative, but it may be the reversal point. Tomorrow the stock can perform in upside. That is my expected, and this may be another reversal pattern. It can move up, so that what I'm expecting, it can move up on the basis of the pattern where it is present. And the next one is the Gujarat Steel GSPL. So let's look at these stocks, how it forms a reversal pattern by based on the candlesticks. Let's look at this is also be a reversal. So this kind of stocks will give you some clear PTSD kind of trade, or even a short-term trade. So we can hold 1 or 2 days in equity, so that may generate you 1 to 2% return based on the patterns which is present on the stocks. So the four stocks which I find out, one is HDFC Bank, the next one is Lara's Lab. Let's we go for HDFC Bank is the reversal. Sorry, HDFC Bank should be the reversal at this point. May it continues the trend tomorrow. So may, or even at this closing price, we can see some more movement on the stock with the next few trading session, that may giving you the investment kind of trade that will generate you with a profit. One is HDFC. The second one is Lara's Lab. Both are bullish candles, so we can identify this as this may be a bullish reversal, or it can bounce back something. But let's look at about Bajaj Finance. It's entirely different. Bajaj Finance is about entirely two red negative candles, but I'm expecting tomorrow would be the positive day. And let's go for a Gujarat Gas. Sorry, Gujarat GSPL. The same thing which is happening here. It is about a two. All the four stock which I am focusing for, and a bullish reversal. That may be a PTSD stocks. Today, if I'm buying, tomorrow maybe I'm going to get a 1%, 2% by opening. So such a kind of stock this was. And I'm going to show you some stocks in my scanner, so that I'm going to download from my dashboard. That is a scanner result. So I'm opening it out. So recent stocks will go for it. So this is what a Balrampur Chini, that is on 22nd to don't go for such a back. So we can recently back test some stocks, how it is works. So these are the stock which is happening today based on the parameter. But yesterday it's only one stock, that is about 1110 Metropolis. Let me go for a Metropolis. What happened on Metropolis? Let me try to do Metropolis. What happened on that? So the same which I'm going to focus for a Metropolis on 4th 11th October, the closing price. I'm going to focus the scan for a closing of the day, or evening open of the day, maybe for intraday. But BTST kind of trade, it's about 1148 is the close price. From that close price, next day, the only one stock which is scanned by the scanner, by the next day, from its closing price, the stock is moving somewhere around near about 2%, 2.4% by next day itself. And if you are holding it out up to day, it more than 3.3% from last 3 days. So what we are going to take at the end of the day, and it was generating a more than 3.2% result on the day once the stock were listed in the scans. And the second stock, second one is on 4th of lot of stocks on 14. Let's look at this. How many stocks where it is formed on 410. So let me look at if I'm trying to buy these stocks on end of the day. By next day, whether it is generating me a profit or not. Let me look at on this stocks. What are the stocks? We are focusing SBIN, JSW Steel, Kodak Bank, RBL, LTI, L&T, FH. So let me go for one by one. First one is RBL Bank. All the stocks were scanned by 4th of this month. So the 4th, maybe this, at closing 117. The next day it went up to 123.75 from 4th to 6th. Just about 2 days. Next day it generated 2.89% in RBL Bank. The second one is LTI. The candle color doesn't matter here. 4th of this, and the next day it is almost 1.7% in L&T Infotech. And the stocks which we are going to focus is LTI, already L&T FH, Persistent, Bajaj Auto, L&T FH, L&T Finance Holding. So here on the day 4th, from next day 1.3%. If you're comparing the highest price, even it is a more percentage while I'm calculating the closing price. On the day from 77, next day it went up to 79, almost 3% positive by BTST kind of trade. And Persistent, Bajaj Auto, a lot of stocks on the day. Instead of checking all the stocks, Persistence at about 7%, it's good enough. And Bajaj Auto, that were generative 4th October positive. And the next day, from the close of 3579, next day it went up to 3617, and within 2 days it went up to 3668. From that entry point, almost 3579, it went up to near about 100 points. Still it is in the same level. Only today also it made a high of 3663. I'm not focusing it for an option trade. I'm not focusing for a future trade. It's for a equity trade where I'm buying a equity today. I can able to hold 3 or 4 days. If I'm holding that, there is a 1%, 2% return where I can get it. Mindtree, GoForce, TCS, lot of stock on the day. Mindtree here on the 4th, and the next day it went up 1.7%. GoForce is the 4th, and the next. So lot of stocks are working well on the scanner. And second, on the 29.9, we have 3 stocks, almost 3: Ramco Cement, M&M, and PVR. So let's look at 29.9 how the stock is performed. Ramco Cement, M&M, Ramco Cement, and this is happening on 29th that day. 29th is the closing day. 29.9, so should be that. Here the close price is 749. Next day is 764, almost 20 points. Then 3-4 days it went up to 769 from the closing price of 749, almost 20 points. From here where the close, the next day high should be more than 1%, I think. Let me check what happened. That from this closing price by next day high is about 2.1%, and this high is calculated as a 2.78%. So that's about this Ramco Cement. So that is also generating a good profit. And the another one more stocks like M&M and PVR on the day 29.9 PVR. So PVR about 29.9 is there. From this closing price 1759, next day 1795. It's almost 30-40 points. As a percentage, what we calculated, this was around 2% from your entry. It's about BTST kind of trade. Even if you are waiting for a next day, that's about 3.98%, 4%. Right? Okay, good. And another one stock which we are going to focus is PVR. Yes, PVR. PVR already seen. M&M. Ramco we already seen. M&M. M&M is another one. So let me look at on 29th. This is the 29th. By the next day opening itself, it is positive. From closing price 558, it is opened by 68, and it made a high of 1281. So let me calculate from this closing price how many points it is moving. Almost 1.9%. It's about BTST kind of trade where we can focus 1 or 2% how to make daily basis. While the scanner, so it's not about this thing about 20th of that 27th Infosys and two stocks only, Infosys and HCL Tech. 29th Infosys 20, sorry, it is about 27th, not 29th. There's a 27.9. This was a day where 27.9 here. This is the one failure trade, and the from previous close price 931393. The next day is a high is about 4.1393, 10 points, and closed by same cost to cost. But at this point of entry, within a 2 days, it went up to near about 1% more. From that price, it moves. So, but BTST, it was a not a good result on that day, but okay, no problem. And another stock is about HCL Tech. HCL Technologies 29th, 27th. Would be this 27th here, and the closing price 918, and next day is 926, and after that it keep on going up. So it is working well. And some other day where we are going to see, and 20th of this month, Hindustan Unilever. 20th of last month, Hindustan Unilever and Sun Pharma. We go for a Sun Pharma. How does that scanner works? 20th, maybe this is the 20th, and the closing day where it is 911, 9 almost 912. The next day high is about 922, 912 to 9 to 10 points by opening itself. After that, it's keep on going up, no problem. But the BTST basis, that was working in a great way. Sun Pharma, and the next one would be Hindustan Unilever. 21st, 20th. Yeah, look at this Hindustan Unilever was how it is perfect. 20th 9, maybe this 20th 9 September. Yeah, 20th. The close price is about oh, it's a huge benefit, right? Because it's a negative candle. Next day market, it moves up to 2.5%. From that close price, we are talking about from this close price, it is moving near about 2.5%. If you are within a days, it went up to 4.5% in Hindustan Unilever. So the big investment stock that is generating you such a great opportunities. Okay, so even it made a maximum high of almost 6%, 5.88%. That is what a BTST kind of trade. I'm not talking about the stop loss and target. I'm just how that stock is performed after it is scanned by the scanner. And today there is a 4 stock which is scanned by the scanner. Let me discuss about this Laura's Lab, Bajaj Finance, and GSPL by tomorrow, Monday evening. So the scanner is works. The scanner, how does I'm focusing the scanner? Just simply I'm going to tell you about how I'm finding out the stocks. Here I cannot get the trends. It may be negative day, next day positive, how it will be filtered. I'm going to discuss about that thing what I'm used. It's about nothing. Simply I'm using Ikenashi candles. Ikenashi candles. Let's look at this 20th. That was a negative to positive. There is a good opportunity on Hindustan Unilever. What are the stocks which we are taken today? Even HDFC Bank. Let's look at that. Previous it's negative, and it's turned positive. Maybe the reversal would be opportunity at that point, and there is a reversal. There is a down reversal. There is a down up reversal as well as down reversal. I just given you a lot of confirmation about that. I'm not taking all the reversals, but even this kind of thing will help me. So let's look at that Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance we are talking about. So in the candlesticks pattern, it was not a positive candle today, but in a Ikenashi candle, it was a positive candle, and there may be a reversal tomorrow. It may continue the trend. Maybe today, if I'm buying it out, and end of the day tomorrow, it may be giving you some opportunity to make profit. And some other stocks like let's look at the same one candlesticks basis. It was not a positive candle. Both are negative candle. Yesterday also be a negative, and today also be a negative candle. But even Ikenashi candle, it is about a reversal pattern which is present here. So that is the reason I used to find out such opportunity by using the Ikenashi candlesticks pattern. I hope you understand this. This may be a useful video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, or if you want to the scanner, just link WhatsApp me on the link number provided on the description or Telegram. You can contact me. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much.